Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make homemade Ritz crackers. This is so delicious. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, add in flour, salt, dry active yeast, baking powder and baking soda. So I added in sugar as well. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. I then went ahead and created a well in the middle, and then I added in egg yolk and milk powder. I then added in olive oil and water. The water, I'm adding it to it bit at a time. I added in 3/4 mix till well combined, and then added in the 2/4 and then the last one. I'll mix till everything has come together until it forms a dough. Once it's formed a dough, I'll knead it for about 5 minutes. The dough shouldn't be sticky, not at all. It shouldn't be sticky. It should be this consistency. This is what you're looking for. I'll place it back in my bowl, cover it with a cling film and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Just like so. After 30 minutes, I went ahead and divided it into smaller pieces. I'll bring one of the dough, sprinkle a little bit of flour on my work surface, and then roll the dough out. You want it to be thin. It should be very thin, around 1 millimeters. I went ahead and used a toothpick to insert it to create little holes in them, but then with the cake decorating tool makes it faster and you could see the holes better. When done, use a scone cutter to cut little holes in them and take off the excess. So guys, this is it. It's very simple, it's easy, and trust me, it was very delicious. When done, line your baking tray with parchment paper and then arrange it on them. So guys, this is it. It's simple, it's easy, and it should be very thin, because if you make it thicker, it's going to take long and the color is going to change. Last but not the least, I brushed on top with oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And lastly, I sprinkled a little bit of rock salt on them. And this is simple, easy, and you are good to go. So guys, this is it. Bake this at 170 degrees Celsius from 8 to 10 minutes, not more than that, and you are good to go. So guys, after 10 minutes, just look at it, guys. This turned out so delicious. My son was fighting with me for these crackers. They ate all the same day. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, follow my page, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, guys. It's simple, easy, and delicious. If you're a Ritz cracker lover, you will definitely like this recipe. You will love it. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.